Alright guys, welcome to this particular new SSD, new installation, the one for March. The big switch will be LightDM bye bye and SDDM welcome. So it's Friday night. I have done my share of work today, but let's have some fun. The fun is, why not just talk to you guys and do a live stream on YouTube? There's a great tool for that. It's called Obs-Studio. I don't know if it's 2 S's or 1 S. Let's see. It's an open broadcast software, OBS. Windows, Mac OS 10.3, but of course Linux as well. Twitch sponsor. Kenmerken, so I'm in Dutch. So the quick little website knows that I'm living in a certain country and it puts NL behind it, you see? I don't know if we can overcome that and become EN or something. Yep, we are English now. All right, so that's what the plan is. All right, what do you do if I were you? ArcoLinux, YouTube ArcoLinux. You find reviews, of course, from us, but you need to be on our channel. And our channel does this little face here. And already 10,000 people. That is amazing. And he's talking already. Shut up. I have made videos about Obs-Studio. So I don't know if it was now 1 or 2 S's. It's actually with a hyphen in between. But hey, right? Good search. He finds it. So there's lots of information already, old information of 3 years ago, but it's probably still working. That's Linux for you, and how to install and set up. So 2 years ago. All right. Okay. So a lot of info is already on the channel. So we are now at number 1700. So there is a big jump in time, so that's cool. This is just showing everything you can install through Calamari, so all the packages. So now, Obs-Studio. Control T. The reflex you should have is it on the AOR? Yeah, maybe, I don't know. So you start with yay, Obs-Studio. Since you don't know, is it a Pacman thing, or is it a thing coming from the AOR Arch user repository? Now you know there is a Git version, but Git is development, is let's say beta, can work just the same, but it is already in the community, so in the trusted Arch Linux repos, meaning I'm gonna say number 1. And off it goes. So now I have Obs-Studio on my machine. And then is the technical things, and I do not do this often, so my settings, I don't know them anymore. I should again watch my own video and see what the best settings were for me back then. But here it is with a wizard. Specify what you want to use the program for. Streaming, recording is secondary. What's more important? Recording for myself. I will not be streaming. No, I use simple screen recorder for that. That's this little thing. So simple, so easy, and he's recording all 1800 and plus, just for ArcoLinux 1800, because I don't know if you can see this, guys. How many videos have I ever made in my lifetime? Is there a number somewhere we could have a look at? Because this numbering is only for 1800. There is only for ArcoLinux, including the Arch Merge ones. No, not including the Arch Merge ones. Not including Arch Labs, not including Linux Mint, not including a lot of stuff. So I wonder if somebody can find it out for me. Can we know how many videos we have on our system somehow, a number somewhere? I have no clue, but I guess you can keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Okay, we're wasting our time, but it's Friday night. I'm relaxed. Okay, next. No, I wanted to record. So, next. Okay. There remember being a hiccup. I remember there was a problem. And that was about the display. So use current is good, either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. Okay, next. Twitch, not my thing. Maybe will be my thing, but not yet. What's this? Now there's a name behind it, RTMP. Don't recall it, but it's probably gonna be this. The stream key, I need to go and get it from here. Right, I'll do that later when I'm not recording. Get stream key. Actually, we go to the place, voila, where you should go and get the key. We need to log in. So this is a newly installed system. Nothing is set yet. But we need to go in here. So let me pause the video a little bit. All right, I got myself the key. And he's testing the stream encoder, I think. This may take a minute. And what is all this? YouTube, YouTube, video rate, software X24664. That's our problem. That's our problem. Why it does that? That's not cool. Output scaled, resolution, not full HD. Not full HD, I repeat. This is not good. So apply settings, I can go back, but apply settings. And I'm gonna change it. And if you haven't seen it, if you didn't see it, you got a video or a conversation or whatever, right? And it's all wrong. Stream input audio. I don't touch these things, I think. Only this guy. Output scaled resolution. Really? Wanna trick me? Voila. And hotkeys, I think I stay off. And advanced, don't think I change anything here either. Apply. Okay, go. Now let's make this bigger. So we need to add scenes, sources, and we can start streaming, start recording, and all that. What scene? There is already a scene. Cancel. There is already a scene. Fine. And that what do we add? A source. Audio. Input. The microphone. Boo. Testing. Right? That's probably gonna be this one. Doesn't care what name he has. And that should be it. Right? That's that one. Fine. And what else? Color source. Image. We can start with an image. We can start with screen capture. That's a good one. Screen capture. Okay, done. Of course, my screen is now this screen, right? This would be a lot better, but it's now this strange screen. Okay. You can crop some things off, but just stay off. Keep it simple and stupid is my advice, always. I have video capture. I think this is my webcam. I want to show my face to you guys. Yay, there he is. Eric is there. Contrast and all these things you can leave on. Again, keep it simple and stupid. And you put yourself somewhere down there. I don't like to do that. I want to focus your attention on what we're saying, not on my face. Whether I'm scratching my nose or not, or picking my nose or whatever. Focus on the teaching. That matters. So, like I said, we can add an image. Maybe I don't have an image. I don't really have an image. This is a clean machine. A clean, oh, there is something. A clean machine. And it is, oh, a very big one. So, I'm gonna take another picture from this particular look here. Control T. Flame shot. And then taking an image, diskette, here you are, and then Obs-Studio. All right, back in my second screen here. browse, Obs-Studio, open, that's better. So that's what we start with when we beam. It's again a kind of Photoshop thing, like layers, Photoshop or GIMP. You're watching, I think you're watching here as well from the top to the bottom. So the first thing is everybody sees this and nobody sees Eric. So if you want to see Eric, you move it to the top, and then Eric is gonna be on the top, one up, or image one down, or it's easier to do with these things, I guess. So now I'm at the top always. This device, and I have to show you something, and it's off and on, and that's how it works. Basically, you don't need, well, I don't need another scene, but maybe you will have other things in mind, more complex stuff, and you create scenes, and you select the scene, and then suddenly you switch to scene 2, 3, 4. Maybe you have some kind of we say in Dutch een draaiboek, so a pathway to do a scenario. That's maybe a good word, the scenario to run through, and then you may use these scenes. That's quickly selecting. Now we're going to go to a full-blown webcam where somebody talks about something, and then we go back down to another slide or whatever information slide. Window capture, video capture, VLC. We could have a video together, see a video. Text, free text type. We can type some text here. Welcome. Ooh, that's big. Welcome to OBS Studio. Actually, it all matters. If you start programming in Windows, you know everything matters. Even a space matters. A tab matters. It all matters. And time we lose with it. Time. Oops. Can I edit this? A good question. Can I edit this? Can I just type? What happens if it is like this? No. Double click. Right mouse click. So when you make typos, then you realize I shouldn't have made a typo. Double click. Double click here. Welcome to OBS Studio. Maybe a capital one as well. All right. Fun. And we are good to go. What I should do now is actually go and start screaming. Screaming, yeah. Wow. Start streaming. Starts recording. And remember a setting for that. That it's does it together. Streaming, that it going to set them automatically record when streaming. That's a good one. Keep recording when stream stops. No. Okay. Looks like that's a winner. Hopefully. Voila. And try it out. Start streaming. Oh. Boom. And these two guys start together. We're recording at this point in time. We're live. And I guess people will see me at some point in time. And they'll join us. So this is the other end of the story. We're live. Whoa. Welcome to OBS Studio. A little image and myself. I'm live now, live and kicking. Let's count the seconds. I don't see myself wave yet. So what I'm doing now, saying now I'm waving. Okay, I'm waving again, guys. Let's count the seconds how long you're behind me. I'm waving now. Welcome, guys. Already 4 people there. That's about 10 seconds, I think, I'm way behind, so it's a bit 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 8, 9 seconds behind it. So we're looking at some stream here, analytics, stream health. What's that? No data, excellent, excellent connection. Thank you. It's not always. 360 video, enabled settings. Add a delay, we can add some delay to it. Neo29, welcome. Great. So we're testing out Obs-Studio. It was a long while ago, and the videos were there, but were very old. So this may be a good thing. If you ever watch this video, guys, don't start looking in the search up here. Go to the real channel and use the search in here. That is the search of ArcoLinux, right? 1,800 videos we have now just about ArcoLinux, and not counting Arch Merge, which is basically the same, and even Arch Labs, which is basically the same. So a lot of info about i3 before all that, on Linux Mint, on Ubuntu, on Solus, because i3 is just i3. You take it with you and it runs everywhere. It's Linux. So awesome. So use the search here. So I was saying I was going to look and go online just for fun, just for kicks. And it was already 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, we made a video about Obs-Studio. And maybe when you're getting into this project of ArcoLinux, you do the site, and now we have this ALCI, you're saying, hey, let's do that like what Eric does. Let's make a stream, let's make a video, put it online on YouTube. Why the hell not, right? We're all sitting at home waiting for Corona to be over. Make videos. Let's blast YouTube out of the sky. I say, oh my God, all these videos are coming up. Something like that. All right. Okay, I think I covered the topic. So what can we do? So we have here, we're talking about the settings. We've done the settings. We've done even the text. So I can say, okay, text is not needed anymore. So you won't see the text anymore. Then the image can go. My webcam can go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds delay between what I do and what you see. So video capture device by image. Let's do the image gone, so you see what I'm doing. Woohoo! Awesome, right? This is what I'm doing, and this is not educational at all. So it's difficult to I think it's even impossible to record. I'm thinking about it. Screen capture is what we do, and the microphone is this. So it's incredibly nice. My cursor is moving like hell now. But this is your Obs-Studio when it's actually working. We haven't tried filters or anything like it. So let's move Obs-Studio to the other side, and then you see my beautiful wallpaper. All right. So welcome to my system. This is the March system already. We're working on a big change. We're going from light DM to SDDM. It's one of the major things. And we're going through the motions because, of course, it has a huge effect on all 24 ISOs we have. So that's fun. And the ALCI has been great, super fun. So the it's a ArcoLinux Calamares installer, if you haven't heard about that. Let's make some publicity. This is just awesome idea I had. I said, what if I put Calamares on ArcoLinux ISO? Then it's easy to install and I can skip all these phases. Right? Because we need to test it out. We need to find out, is this working? Is that working? How is it working on ArcoLinux? Every single time we had to install the ArcoLinux ISO. And it's a long, well, it is what it is. But now we have something else. ALCI. ArcoLinux Calamares installer. And we just build our ISO and use the packages we like and love. And everybody, it seems, on Discord has their own GitHub, which is great. That you're supposed to have some kind of backup. And basically the only thing you have, and it will grow over the future, you'll see, the only thing you need is a folder, ALCI, that's all you need, and one file. With this file, I can build anything. ArcoLinux is the land of Lego blocks, and we pick the Lego blocks. I say, yeah, I want to have, let's give some examples. I want to have something you recognize maybe. The SDM, and LightDM and SDM, the display manager, I want to have that. And for the rest at the bottom, Plasma Meta, maybe you recognize already. Yakowake, great name. Ocular, maybe, right? So elements, these elements you will recognize. I want to have always music on my machine, so Spotify, fine, it's there. Let's see that to the comments here. Okay, how many people are there? 14 people already. So this is all it takes is handpick packages from ArcoLinux, from ArcoLinux repo, from Chaotic AOR, from your local AOR. Yes, the last thing I've done, archify your ALCI. Oh, I should still make an article for it, so too much work. So this is us, we're watching. So how to figure out what to put on the ALCI, explained. How to really format everything, because we don't have Gparted anymore. This is no welcome screen, this is pure Arch with column Rs. And here it is. This is a very cool one. No, not you, you're not cool. Go away. Yeah, there's no block things yet. And I don't think even drivers, oh yeah, drivers are okay yet already. So let's pause here. Adding your local repo to the ALCI, think about it. You have repositories, ArcoLinux, no problem, they all come in. The long list from ArcoLinux, they all come in. But some of these packages are coming from AOR. Some of them we've built. It's on our repo. No problem again, right? Parubin is coming from our repo. Yay, Tryson are coming from us. So no problem. Gonna go on the ISO, gonna go on the future system. But what if, and there are many packages out there, there is no package on our repo, on ArcoLinux, or on Chaotic AOR, which is now easily and quickly combined with our beautiful tree tool, with which we can install all these desktops, and in a few days or months, maybe better months, a few more. We can, what was I going to say? I forgot. Why did I go in here? Ah yeah, the Chaotic thing. So the shop, you go to the shop here, the shop icon, and you can enable Chaotic's repo, which is a huge repo. But do it with prudence, in the sense that get your stuff and put it out again. Get your stuff in and out. That's the idea. In and out. Go shop, fine, get it done. And then you are safe. You're gonna be super safe. So that's another way to get your stuff in. But this one, this is awesome. This is, I will build the package myself, which is not difficult. Yay builds packages. Maybe include it. Where is Yay building its packages? In here. Any package you build has here a place, and you just move it to your repo, your local repo, and you can add your own packages to your ISO. That's just awesome. Then you can really do these last percentages on your ISO rather than later on sudo pacman -s or Yay or script something to get it in from the AOR. No, pre-build, put it on the ISO, done, and you have your own personal thing. Let's have a look at this here. Fix double mic. Ooh, The mic is not good. What can I do there? Guys, it's just a test. So let me have a look. So we'll learn, no problem. Mic, the mic is not good, the mic. Audio input capture pulse audio, it says. Can I add something else? That's input, that's capture. I have two devices. I have an audio capture device also, and one that's called audio input capture, pulse audio. There's also a check input client. All right, let's change some things up. So I'm going out with this one. And I'm talking now with the audio capture device ALSA. How's this, guys? Well, if the sound is bad, we just delete the video. It's just a test. But it's good for me to know, of course. Audio capture device ALSA. That good? So ALSA it is then. Yep. So I was saying that with this ALCI, we have a great opportunity to build your own ISO from the basis of ArcoLinux. See it as a big plate. These big Lego plates to where we built our stuff up when we were children. Remember? These big plates. Yeah, there they are. Whoops. No. These things. Mostly they were red in my time. Okay. That's what we get from ArcoLinux. That's the Arch Relay. And with that, we add things on it. We put Xorg on it, a little building here from Xorg, and a little building there for SDDM and LightDM, and we keep on building. And that's basically ALCI. You start from scratch. This is what we provide. This is the thing. Say, okay, that's all from ArcoLinux, basically, Relay. And then you think, everything above comes from Arch ISO Relay. And then it's up to you what you want to have. This is our system or way of installing things. These are stuff we keep afterwards. Do you want network manager? Yes, no. Xorg is there. Drivers maybe already. NVIDIA drivers. LightDM, SDM. Sound okay now? Sure, Bluetooth is working. I'm always listening to Spotify with my Bluetooth headset, so. But it's all technical, it's all knowledge, and once you know how, it's no fun anymore. Still an echo? Use the pulse audio controls. Let's make this bigger. Also was better, okay. Right. Thank God I don't have to do this. Simple screen recorder. Just simple. We should ask sudo reboot. Hey, make a video. In the meantime, just pop in the questions there. I have also a jack input client. What's that? Is that not for a microphone? Yeah. No properties available. Okay. I'm gonna delete that again. Yes, remove. Look at this, guys. I've never seen a Pulse audio control like this ever. Oh my god. This is wrong. This is wrong. This should be it. How about now, guys? This was wrong. Yeah, it's testing. Hey, I always say trial and error, guys. Don't think I'm a kind of nerd or a wizard. No, just trial and error. Simple as that. But is the sound now better? Because now everything is okay, it seems. Richer sound. Okay. So we changed this here. OBS desktop audio from. Do I need all that? Boop, out. In, out. Probably gonna need just one, right? I think it's so strange to have so many. And it's all recording, but this one input device. And all recording. Okay. Maybe we should delete some stuff. Screen capture is good, so Pulse audio is off, I think. Device. Oh, I found myself a setting. Okay. Let's switch again from ALSA to Pulse audio. So ALSA is out now. Audio input capture Pulse audio is in. Double click. Okay. Rode NT USB. All right. Let's see again with you guys. How's the sound? Testing sound. 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test test. Say something, guys. Any better? Or nobody's hearing me? That's how I start with teaching. Does anybody hear me? Test, test. The people in Belgium, when I say test, test, and then eagle, eagle, they know what I mean. Little joke amongst us. How's the sound? We hear you, we hear you. Okay. Double audio still. Okay. Too bad. Can't figure it out. But we do have Ctrl-Alt-U. A lot of stuff going on here. There is desktop audio, there is mic, there's this guy. Oh yeah, I'm recording double. I have simple screen recorder on. What? Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Ta-da. Boom. No.